Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you guys one of my favorite deep conditioners that I like to use on my hair, and it is a DIY avocado based deep conditioner. Now if you don't know, avocados are actually really good sources of vitamins, proteins and amino acids. So they essentially help make your hair strong and healthy and long. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just grab yourself that avocado and cut it, and then just remove all of the content from the inside and transfer it onto a bowl or a container in my case. Guys, how stunning is this avocado though? Like, moment of silence, please. Now what we're gonna do is blend this avocado. Of course you can mash it, but that's a lot of work, so I just blend it with a hand blender. Okay, then once that's done, I like to add some conditioner for some added slip. Sometimes I use normal conditioner, but this time I used an actual deep conditioner from Shea Moisture, which is actually a very good conditioner. It has a lot of good penetrating ingredients. So I just add like about 3 tablespoons of that or whatever. I add my penetrating oils. So examples of good penetrating oils are coconut oil, avocado oil and olive oil. So they actually penetrate into your hair cuticles, and they actually help moisturize your hair, unlike other oils that will just sit on your hair and won't do anything. So yeah, I add some of that and then I blend that all well in. And then what I want to do afterwards is sift the mixture. And the reason why I do this is just so that the avocado pieces, in other words the avocado fibers, don't get stuck in my hair strands. Because if they do, guys, it's a mission to remove it. It sometimes takes me like up to 2 wash days to remove avocado fibers if I forget to sift the mixtures. So please do yourself a favor and make sure to sift the mixture. Okay, cool. So now this is me applying it onto my hair. So as you can see, I'm first starting with my ends because these are the oldest. They need the most amount of love. And then I'm working my way up to the top. Hey, up to the top. Hey, okay. Again, back to reality. Now I'm going to just kind of break it through, make sure I'm smoothing it. Oops, let's not forget the teeny weeny pieces. And yeah, that's that. Okay, and then I just apply that to the rest of my hair, and then I sit for about 15 to 20 minutes under the hooded dryer, and then I rinse it out, and then I moisturize my hair and seal it in. Okay guys, so this is my hair. It's nice and soft and moisturized and just full of life. And yeah, I hope you guys try this out, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you soon. Bye.